Shono we lahla ikhosi idla ukudla kwa. Shono we lahla ikhosi idla ukudla kwa. Shono we lahla ikhosi idla ukudla kwa. Congratulations to Amakhosi abafana bokuthula noxolo. This must be very sour to their rivalries. Kwesikabamindlela isigodi Orlando Pirates, considering that the Pirates have suffered 2 defeats in a row. Ay. Now, Kaizer Chiefs on the other side is winning 2 games in a row. Well, there are so many other teams in the PSL that are competing for this championship, but we know this Soweto derby is the biggest rivalry. You are a big team that was very much undermined before the season starts. Many analysts have said that the Kaizer Chiefs is not going to perform really well in this season. They said that they are going to finish in the dark hole. I don't know whatever that means. But those analysts were saying that based on the performance that Kaizer Chiefs was showing at Netherlands. But Kaizer Chiefs come in and say, no, it's not gonna be like that. They give a perfect start of the season by winning 2 goals in a row. That is 6 points. You remember they won at Cape Town against Stellenbosch, and today they win at home, F&B Stadium. They take 3 points from Polokwane City through the goal that came from Undlovu Katsheni Uboya Benyati. This is my views, my expressions. Zalamika Masboniso Sizo owakomnikati isibongo. And namhlanje ngihamba ngedwa, but noma ngabe ngihamba ngedwa, I still have something for you to enjoy. Please do subscribe, share channel nabagazi bokuthi uyaqala ukusijoyina. We saw a beautiful game from Kaizer Chiefs. First half was very much entertaining because pound to pound bezingenana, but come to second half, not really an exciting game. But what came out of the second half is that Kaizer Chiefs won the game. I'm very much excited for some players that got to be on the pitch, most especially the substitutions. Paseka Mako getting his opportunity to come in and be very effective. It was an exciting game for Umobi as well, as he was able to be involved in this game, in this goal that we saw from Undlovu. As Kaizer Chiefs win, they are now sitting at the second of the log, and the only reason they are on the second is because of the alphabetical order, because them and Durban City, they have the same points and the same goal difference. Speaking of Durban City, you will remember their story from Marispec United. They get relegated and they lose some sponsorship. They now have to come back to Durban, relocate and change the name. But what happened is that they won at the second division. They won at BetwayPremiership, and they come back to a Premier League. In the Premier League, they are now showing that they actually deserve to be here. They get the second win as they were playing at home namhlanje against Chipa United. Kudos to Durban City, and you'll remember in their first game that they beat ETS Galaxy away from home. Speaking of ETS Galaxy, namhlanje they suffered another defeat against Isekhukhune. The things are not coming really well for ETS Galaxy because this becomes their second defeat and the third one if you include the MTN 8. You remember at the MTN 8 they got knocked out by Isekhukhune United, and today they play against that very same Isekhukhune United and baphinda bayashawa futhi, and right now they are seated at position 16 balapha emsileni. I don't know what might be happening with TS Galaxy, but maybe it has something to do with the FIFA ban. But we heard that some of those have been lifted. They are probably cleared to be able to get some players. But things are not coming really well. Another game that we saw, namhlanje, Amakhosi FC were playing at home, and they managed to get a point at home in a game where Stellenbosch scored first. But Amakhosi came back and said, no, you're not going to defeat us at home. We are going to be able to get a point as well. Another exciting game was Golden Arrows versus Richards Bay. One would say that is a KZN because both teams are from here. A KZN. Coach Manqoba Mnqathi managed to get his first win this season after trapping Richards Bay United by 1 goal to naught. So their previous game they got defeated lapha kade bevakashele eBloemfontein bashawa isiwelele FC. Isiwelele naso esithanda ukuthi sithi sishise, but unfortunately on their second game abakwazi ukuthi bashise. But indaba ithi lapha eBloemfontein akuye libuyayo. It's either you're going to face isiwelele or you're going to face Marume Gallants. Inkundla is always fully packed, and if you get there, it's it's very likely that you are going to come back with 0 points. But that's just about it for tonight. The games were very much exciting. Congratulations to Amakhosi. Congratulations to Umakhav. He's getting his second man of the match in a row, and the guy is coming from MTC, and right now he's performing really well, getting man of the match in the top flight. Sekusho ukuthi umfana is doing great, and ubaba must be proud like a code of Fabian Vakat, as we are proud to say to you that we love you and we appreciate your subscription. Please keep on subscribing. Utshela nabangazi ukuthi we are here, and we will always give you the updates as far as game of soccer is concerned, particularly a PSL. Mina now we're sesibonana over the weekend on Saturday to see a game ya MTN 8 semi-final, the first leg of the semi-final between Mamelodi Sundowns and Orlando Pirates. Ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani lapho angazi, but what I know is Mamelodi Sundowns is very much motivated these days because they managed to get a win yesterday, so they've got 4 points, and Orlando Pirates not so much motivated because they have been defeated twice in a row. But could that be something that motivates them to say that now they need to win because they've suffered 2 defeats in a row? I don't know. But what I know is that they will be facing each other on Saturday, and Yotelo Makasan uzobonakala ukuthi ubani olala ngaphansi noma it's gonna be a throw. I don't know. At the end of the day, fanele sigcine sazi kodwa ukuthi ubani ozoya kwi-final after playing the second leg of that very same semi-final. So this is my views, my expressions. Please share, tshela nabangazi, subscribe. From me now, mfana kamnikathi ucwenza umaqoqo kumele hlangene ngithi I'm out of here.